I think fire has always fascinated humans in one way or another. It's an incredible force of nature. My name is John Blair. I'm a University Distinguished Professor and the Director of the Konza Prairie Biological Station. This is one of the most intensively studied grasslands in the world. It's about 8,600 acres of native tallgrass prairie, and the entire site is one large outdoor laboratory for the study of grassland ecology. People sometimes ask why we burn the tallgrass prairie. Tallgrass prairie is a fire-dependent ecosystem. It's important to understand that fire has always been an integral part of the prairie. We burn because it increases the productivity of the prairie. It removes the accumulated dead plant material that would otherwise, you could think about it as smothering the prairie, preventing the grasses from growing, and allows it to continue its growth, and it supports the biodiversity of the plants and animals that live there. If we don't burn them, what happens is the grasses get displaced by shrubs and trees and other vegetation that takes over. And it turns out the trees and shrubs are great in the places they belong, but they don't belong in the grasslands of Kansas. Once we burn, you can see the darkened area behind me that was just burned today. But if you come back in a week, it will start to look green. And if you come back in 2 or 3 weeks, there'll be wildflowers blooming. The grasses will start to get tall. Cattle or bison in here, they'd be grazing on those grasses. So what fire does in grasslands, it's actually a process that rejuvenates the prairie.